Ever wondered how engineers build massive bridges across the ocean? It all starts with surveying the sea floor using sonar and drones to find strong rock beneath the water. Next, huge steel or concrete piles are driven deep into the seabed using floating cranes and pile-driving machines. Then, watertight structures called cofferdams are built around each foundation point to push water out and create a dry workspace in the middle of the ocean. Inside these cofferdams, concrete footings and vertical piers are built. These form the backbone of the bridge. Once the piers rise above sea level, giant steel or concrete bridge segments are transported on barges and lifted into place by floating cranes. These segments are connected, bolted, or post-tensioned to form the bridge deck. Finally, engineers add road surfacing, expansion joints, railings, and safety systems. And that's how a bridge is built over the ocean, an engineering marvel standing strong against waves, wind, and time. If you gained some knowledge from this video, then like, subscribe, and share with your friends.